Very good morning to all of you, dear students. I, Jaya Kumari, welcome you all in computer class. Today we will learn computer again, the keyboard and its function. Dear students, you know the parts of computer and the keyboard is one of the most important part which enters the data in the computer. Alright student, so we must know the keyboards and all the keys present in keyboards and its function. We must know the name of the all keys. Okay? A keyboard is an important part of the computer. It has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. First, the alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have all the letters from A to Z on them, but they are not given in order. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. We can type any letter, words, and sentences with the help of alphabet keys, but they are not in order here. Second, number keys. Number keys have numbers on them. They are 10 in numbers, that is from 0 to 9. They are present above the alphabet keys and are given in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. by using these keys. The number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboards. This is called the numeric pad. This is called the numeric pad, numeric keys. Now, special keys. These are the special keys. These are the special keys like this. Just look at the screen. There are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys. Let us learn about them. Space bar key. Dear students, you must be using the space bar. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Have you noted it? Just look at it again. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between text. Now, caps lock key. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. Press the caps lock key once. The caps lock light will turn on and the letters will be capital. Now press the caps lock key again. The caps lock light will turn off. Then you will type the sentences again as you want. Small letters, yes. Enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. The keyboard has two enter keys. The keyboard has two enter keys and arrow keys. You must have seen arrow keys in the keyboard. There are 4 arrow keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. Up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. These are the keys present on the keyboard. Now one more and important keys are there, that is delete key. The delete key erases the letter on the right side of the cursor. As you use eraser in your copy, just like delete key is present in the keyboard to erase the letters, text. Alright, student? Okay. Now I will give you some work to do related to this only. Okay, students? Thank you so much. Have a nice day, children.